So unboxing one of my favorite castings of this Q case. Okay, this is the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. This comes in dark blue color, and it is from the HW Race Day series, right? Why no one is interested about this one? We'll talk about this in this video, and I'll just let you know how cool this car is. All right, so let's begin with the unboxing. I don't know why Weeks. I was almost about to. Come on, this part is so tiring for me now. I don't know what the. Okay, I've opened it, and this is the car. So the base you can see here is gray color, and it is in plastic. You can see all the details mentioned on the base. Coming to the casting itself, excuse me. So this is based on the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe race car, and that is where it gets its name. Designed by Larry Wood. Okay, now look at the silhouette of this. Just for 1 second, look at it. It looks such a iconic design, this coupe, right? The long hood, the coupe design. You might have seen this casting or car in Ford versus Ferrari and other movies. So this came out in 2007 the first time. It is still going on very strong. This comes in the Gulf livery in this dark blue color. The wheels are having a orange color rims, and the wheels are actually of 5 spoke wheels, black color. And we have the nice livery on this one. Number 3 here, the Gulf livery, Goodyear livery, Hot Wheels. Nice embossing details you can see. Right, you can also see the mark on the window here. If you remember this from the not Hot Wheels, Fast and Furious movie, even they had this small window in this thing for the ventilation, sort of stuff, right? You have the fuel lid here, you have the spare wheel. That detail is most stunning detail I've seen on this car or any other car. See, this is why these cars are my favorite. The amount of detail that has gone into these. The paint job looks so phenomenal on this one. Look at that paint job. On the other side we also have the same livery, okay, and same exhaust details. This comes with the side exhausts, twin exhausts on both the sides. We don't have any rear details, but look at that rear, okay, and look at this detailing on the rear glass, how well it has been detailed, and the tire also. I think there is some okay, that's inside, it's not on the glass actually, and these glass are tinted. So see, these are the castings, and it doesn't have front details as such on this, as you have seen here. But these are the castings that make you feel like, yeah, they'll transport you back in time completely. You'll feel you're in those classic car era, and excuse me. So you feel like you're in the classic car era. And see, I'm a crazy guy for vintage cars, right? I love so many castings that are there. I can't even think about them right now. I can't even name any specific. To be honest, I think the Aston Martin DB series was great. The Porsche 934 Singer, they're a very good what do you call them, classic castings. The old Rolls Royce, that was great. So yeah, see, these are the details I'm talking about. See that hood scoop here, okay, the Gulf livery, and that is what is making this car so special, and nobody's even talking about it. Okay, let's give it a roll. Yeah, this is a new format that I've been accustomed to. Changing the camera angles again and again. So it rolls fine, no issues with that, I guess. Actually, there's hardly any wheel wobble here, but this is a very awesome casting. If you don't have it, do get it. Don't get any second thoughts about it, because this is one beautiful car. All right, it's worth spending your money. So this is it from this video. All right. Let me know how did you like this one. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification, so when my videos are live, you get notified. And I'm bringing some great castings this week. And look at that paint. The paint job is so good. It is shining. So yeah, I'll be having some great cars unboxed on this channel this week. Pretty cool cars lined up, popular cars and underrated cars. See, that's why I'm here, okay, to bust the myths about underrated cars, or some popular cars are there, but they are over popular and overhyped due to the system that we are living in. So let's burst that hype bubble and get into some realistic views. Okay, all right, then that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting and have a happy life. Ciao. Beautiful car.